not holding this part. So when we do that, instead of locking over here, it's still flat. But when I pull it hard, it's not popping out. You see? It's supposed, I feel like when I was like pulling the door in, this thing supposed to be like popping out and hit it over here, so it keep it locked like this. This little thing supposed to be behind over here, but it looks like it's not popping out. So nothing is holding over here. That's why the door is not closed. I don't know if it's because this thing's over here. No, still not really like sticking out. See, still like able to. That's strange. So here, still like